dear students, welcome back to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's video, how to answer the problem smartly, we are going to discuss about that. Coming to KSET exam, in 1 minute time you have to answer one question. So they don't ask you lengthy questions. You have to think smartly and you have to give the answer in less than 1 minute time. See, coming to this problem, what they are asking, the value of lambda for which the product of these two matrices is an identity matrix. So you all know how to multiply two matrices. So here you see that you multiply these two matrices. So how to multiply two matrices? We multiply first row with first column. So if you multiply first row and first column, here what you should get? Identity matrix. So in identity matrix, what is the first element? So right hand side matrix is identity matrix. So in that first element is what? 1. So how to get that first element? Multiply first row with first column. Just you do that. So what is that? So minus 2 lambda plus 0 plus 7 lambda. It is the first element. So what is the first element in identity matrix? 1. So 5 lambda equal to 1. What is lambda value? 1 by 5. So what is the answer? 1 by 5. No need of multiplying that completely. Just you think smartly and give the answer. Moving to second example. A is given. Asking that what is a cube minus a square. Okay. So first we find that a square. So what is a square? Minus 1 0 0 2 minus 1 0 0 2. So you know how to multiply two matrices. Multiply first row with first column. You can get 1. Multiply first row with second column. What you can get? 1 into 0 and 0. So it is 0. Is it? And multiply second row with first column. What you can get? 0. And second row with second column. What you get? 4. Okay. Next what we want? A cube. So a cube. What is a cube? A square into a. So what is that? 1004 into a. What is a? Minus 1 0 0 and 2. So no need of simplifying completely. Just you know first element and leave it. Then easily we can give the answer. So what is the first element? 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. That's all. So in a cube first element minus 1. In a square first element 1. Put the values in this. So in a cube what is the first element? Minus 1. In a square what is the first element? 1. What is minus 1 minus 1? Minus 2. So in answer first element should be minus 2. So here what is first option? 2 into a. So in 2 into a what is the first element? 2 into minus 1. So is it minus 2? Yes. So that is the correct. So no need of simplifying completely. Just you know the first elements in every matrix and you put them in that. Then you can verify the options easily and you can give the answer. See, coming to this problem, they have given a matrix A and asking what is a minus I into a minus 2i into a minus 3i. So we don't want to simplify completely. So once you write what is a minus I, you tell what is a minus I? A minus I. You know I. What is I? I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Is it? You tell now what is a minus I? So a minus I means this minus this. Okay. First 1 minus 1 0 0 0. Enough. We can give the answer easily. See here in first row we have what? All elements are zeros. So now if you multiply first row with first column in this matrix, what you can get? 0. If you multiply first row with second column, we get 0. First row with third column, we get 0. And that matrix. Again finally, if you multiply first row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column, what do you get? 0. So what is the first element in the final answer? That is what? 0. So in I first element 1. So it is wrong. In null matrix first element 0. So what is the answer? So second option is correct to this problem. Moving to next. A matrix A is given and one equation is given. A square minus Ka minus 5i2 equal to 0. Then K value is what? So here we don't find A square completely and we don't simplify this completely. Is it? We want answer, right? So that is our target. So just you take first elements in every matrix and equate to first element in null matrix, you can get the answer easily. So what is first element in A square? So in A square, I don't want the complete matrix, I want only the first element. So how to get first element in the product, you know, multiply first row with first column. So what you can get? 1 plus 9, it will be 10. Leave it. So in A square, first element is 10. So what is given? A square minus Ka minus 5i2 equal to 0. 10. What is the first element in A square? It is 10. Minus K into A. So K into A. In A first element 1. So K into 1, it is K. Minus 5 into I2. So in 2 by 2 identity matrix, what is the first element? That is 1. So what? It is minus 5 equal to 0. So we got K value is 5. So answer is second option. Coming to this problem, a matrix A is given, asking that what is A cube minus 4A square minus 6A is equal to what? So here again my focus is on first element of every matrix. So my target is finding first element in A cube, first element in A square and writing first element in 6A. Is it? Okay. So first you go with A square. So what is A square? A into A. So 1 2 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 1. 1 2 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 1. So you multiply these two matrices. So what? 1 4 and 4. What is it? 9. So 1 2 2 and 4. So it is 8. 2 4 and 2. What? 8. So you don't confuse why I found remaining elements also other than first element. Why? Because we want first element in A cube. So to get first element in A cube, you have to multiply first row in A square with first column in A. Is it? That is the reason I found all these three elements. Now we take A cube. So what is that? A square into A. So 9 8 8. So whatever it may be, leave it. Into A. So in A, just you take the first column 1 2 2. Remaining whatever it may be, leave it. Is it? Our target is only first element. So multiply first row and first column. What you get? You see 9 16 25 and 16 41. So the first element in A cube matrix is what? 41. Okay. Now what is given? You write that A cube minus 4A square minus 6A. So that is A cube is what? It is first element only I am taking 41 minus 4 into A square. So 4 into in A square first element 9. 4 into 9 36 minus 6A. So in A first element 1. So minus 6. What is this? 41 minus 42 minus 1. So in answer first element must be minus 1. In null matrix first element 0. So wrong. In matrix A first element 1. So wrong. In minus A first element minus 1. Yes, we want that. So what option is correct? Third option is correct to this problem. So my dear students, think smartly and give the answer in less than 30 seconds time. So for this type of questions, you don't simplify that completely. Just you put focus on first elements and you replace them and you can get the answer easily. Hope you all enjoy the session. Subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.